Is your Dodge Charger or Challenger key fob from 2008 to 2014 not working? The most common cause is a dead CR2032 battery. Symptoms include failure to lock or unlock doors, inability to open the trunk, or activate the panic alarm. Before assuming a bigger problem, check the battery. A healthy CR2032 reads 3 volts, while a failing one drops below 2.5 volts. A new battery costs only $1 to $2 and is available at auto parts stores or online. DIY replacement has a success rate over 95% and can save you money compared to dealership service. Replacing the battery is a simple process. You'll need a flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool to avoid scratches and a new CR2032 battery. First, locate the small notch or seam on the edge of the fob. Gently pry the two halves apart. Remove the old battery, noting its orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new battery with the positive side facing up on the circuit board. Snap the two halves back together securely. Test the fob immediately to confirm it's working. If the fob still doesn't work after battery replacement, a faulty circuit board or water damage may be the cause, requiring professional repair.